Hey guys, welcome to Codrama. In today's video, we are going to see hidden Easter eggs in Python. So let's just quickly go to the Python, and we are at the Python CMD. So let's just quickly find the Easter eggs and let's go. So the first Easter egg is we have to import the hello, and let's see what happens. And it prints the hello world. When you import underscore underscore hello underscore underscore, then it prints hello world. Now let's go to the second Easter egg. We have to import this time this, so you have to import this and just enter it. Now you can see the Zen of Python. So it says beautiful is better than ugly, explicit in rather than implicit, and many things. You can read it. You can pause the video and read it. And now let's jump to the third Easter egg. Let's import anti-gravity. Let's see what happens. And it opens a page in your browser, your default browser, and it says it shows the comic strip, you're flying now, how, and it says Python, so it's a joke kind of thing. Let's jump to the fourth Easter egg. So we all know that Python doesn't support braces. From underscore underscore future underscore underscore import braces, and it says syntax error, not a chance. Now let's jump to the fifth Easter egg. We have to print. Let's go to print, and we know hash function prints the hash value of the integer. So let's take a float, and then you have to assign it as infinity, and let's see what happens. And we enter, and basically hash function gives the hash value of the integer or the float value. So if we take the hash value of infinity, it says 314159, and let's copy this, and in place of infinity, let's put minus infinity and see what happens. And it gives the above value but in the minus. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and meet you in the next video.